have been voting for a very long time. I have coordinated elections, so I am a credible advisor on election. I am here to give you survival kit on how to survive on election day. Number one, first things first, you need to sleep on time. When you sleep on time, you wake up on time. Do you know why? So that you'll be agile on that day. Number two, then you charge your phone, you charge your power bank for extra charge so that you can carry your iPod and your iPad, you can play music and then you can relax yourself. You know what I'm talking about? That is it. Number three, after that you carry your food flask and your feeding bottle, your water bottle, so that you can drink your water and then your head will cool down. Don't forget your umbrella, sun will shine that day. Number four, once you get to your polling unit, the first thing you do is to confirm that the place where you are is exactly where you're supposed to cast your vote from your polling officer. Number five, after you have confirmed that that is the polling unit where you cast your vote, you now go and join the line. You queue up and make sure that you are accredited. Then after that, you don't go home, don't try it, because that is when they start the rigging. You have to make sure that the total number of accredited voters are announced. Demand for it. It is your right. Look, I'm telling you, I am an accredited voter. Long time experience. I know these things. So don't live anywhere. Stay there and demand for the total number of accredited voters. That is where the rigging will start. Number six, now for the voting process. You have to put the ink on your hand and do like this, because JK is okay. And then you thumb print. You don't vote like this. You vote like this. And when you finish, you blow it so that it can dry. And then you fold vertically like this. Make it no go thumb print for another page. And then you go and cast your vote. Number seven, after the voting process, don't go anywhere. You have to stay there and make sure they announce the result for your polling unit. Number eight, the result must be written on INEC spreadsheet. Shine your eye. Don't let them write it on any other place. If they write down for any other paper, you must make sure, say your party agent, he did there. Shine his eye, he sign them, he will snap it with his phone and he will share it on social network. Number nine, you have to follow them if you can. Try your best. Follow them to the local government where the entire vote will be counted and then they will not tell you the result. I am an accredited voter. I know these things. It is a process, I know. So I'm telling you, don't forget. Number 10. If you have any issues with your card readers, complaints on election day, complaints about your voting materials on election day, please call the number below and you can tweet at INEC using the hashtag Nigeria Decides. If your election officials do not show up on time before 10 a.m. in the morning, please raise alarm. Change, Abi. Change up, you change down. Change everywhere. This project now project hashtag defend your vote.